Hi everyone, if you are using FEMFAT, you may have noticed that every time you create a new project, you have to manually select your preferred input file format. For example, if you're always working with Abaqus, Nastran or any other solver, you probably have to change the default input format every single time. By default, FAT is usually set to the I-deas universal format. The same applies to the stress results format. For example, if you're using Nastran, you may need to select the OP2 format every time. Or if you're using HyperMesh, you might want to work with H3D results. Similarly, if you're using Abaqus, you'll probably want to use ODB file. Instead of changing these settings every time, you can make them permanent. Let me show you how. I'll close FEMFAT for now. Suppose you're working only with Abaqus. Go to Edit INI file. Then open the default section and navigate to Interfaces. Under FE Structure, select Abaqus INP as your default input format. Next, under Stress Results, select Abaqus ODB. For the output results format, choose whatever you normally use. For example, you can select HyperMesh results, ODB, or any other supported format. After making your selections, click Save Changes. Now whenever you start a new FEMFAT session, the default input format will already be set to Abaqus INP. The stress results format will also default to Abaqus ODB. Of course, you can still change these settings whenever you need to. But if you use the same solver most of the time, this saves you from changing the formats again and again. Let me restart FEMFAT to show you that the settings are safe. As you can see, the default input format is already set correctly. These settings remain saved even after restarting FEMFAT or your computer. So this is a simple way to save a little time in your daily workflow. If you ever want to switch to another solver, just return to Edit INI file. Update the default formats according to your preferred solver. If you want to restore the original settings, click Reset Current Page, then save the changes. That's all there is to it. This is how you can permanently set the default input and output formats in FEMFAT. I hope you found this tip useful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.